Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, we're guiding you guys how to model this simple 3D block. So let's get started. Now let's work with the right plane. So with a normal line, as you can see, from here to here is 64. So let's dimension it 64. 64. Here to here 64 minus 40, that is 24. 24 divided by 2, we're having 12. Here should be 12. You can see here is 12. I'll simply click on my escape to leave it. So we'll have that. Now let's add here. From here to here, we have 20. Now let's add dimension 20, 20. For here, this curve, this radius here, we're having 64 as our diameter. That's to show that here should be 32. So I'll go to 3-point arc. I'll dimension it. Radius 32. Now for this cut here, this diameter here is 32. Bring it here and sketch. Diameter 32. So we are done with our sketch. Now let's extrude. I go to features. I click on extruded boss base. Now let's start with here. As you can see, we have a thickness of 50 here and a thickness of 10 here. So we start with this contour. While I'm working with mid plane, I'll make here 50 in distance. I click on my check mark. Now I click on this drop down. I click on sketch 1. I click on extruded boss base. Now for my contour, I select on this contour here and I keep the distance 10. Click on my check mark. So we are done with our model. Control 7. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.